Hi, it's Carly McAvoy. I wanted to do a video identifying and categorizing statistical variables. Variables are the categories that are being considered in a study or an experiment. I have that highlighted in green, and all the values down here in green are the variables in this particular table that I have. We can also have different types of variables. For instance, we can have numerical variables, which were also called quantitative, and that uses numbers. But there's two types of numbers. We can have discrete variables, which means it's countable, like the number of cars in a parking lot, or in this particular example in the gray, the ages in years or the number of children that you have. Those are discrete numerical variables the way they're given in this table. And then continuous is something that it doesn't have an exact measurement, such as your height or your weight or the temperature on a hot day. We can say this is 0.5, but really when we're doing a measurement, it doesn't have that. We can round it to some place, but it's continuous, a continuum that we're looking at. Categorical variables are qualitative, also known as qualitative, and they can just use names such as the month of the year, or the state you were born in, or if you're a sophomore, junior, or senior, something like that. And they can also use numbers, but they're numbers that don't have meaning. We call those ordinals, and those are kind of more complicated to understand sometimes. So I put down some examples of numbers that are categorical and ordinal. So the level of pain, because my level 2 pain and your level 2 pain, we don't know if that's the same. We would say that my level 7 is definitely, I'm in more pain than my level 2, but you don't know exactly what that means mathematically. Phone numbers, social security numbers, student ID numbers, jersey numbers, their year in school, those are all things we can use to kind of order people in order from least to greatest or whatever by their phone number, but it doesn't really have any mathematical meaning. All right, that's all the different types of variables. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.